Assalamu alaikum. My name is Benazir Huda. Currently, I'm working as an English lecturer at the Japan Bangladesh Friendship Foundation. I have completed my degree of teaching English as a second language from Trinity College, London. Now, I would like to introduce a student of mine who's currently studying at this college. Hello,
Good morning.
good morning. Can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Trinity De Silva. I'm studying at Japan Bangladesh Friendship Nursing College. I'm from 10th batch. I'm studying at Diploma in Nursing Science and Midwifery.
Since you're from Chittagong and you came here to study in Dhaka, out of all the colleges in Dhaka, what made you decide that you want to study in this college in particular?
Even though there are a lot of institutes in Chittagong, they weren't really up to the standards I was looking for. And I did some browsing on the internet and saw that the ratings of this college was very good. And my guardian and I came up and spoke to the office administration staffs, and it seemed like a good place to get in. That's why I decided to choose this college because the facilities that the college has to offer are going to play a huge role in our future. We have lab classes for anatomy, physiology, microbiology, and also computer lab. We also have two language clubs. One is English, another one is Japanese. English is very mandatory for us because all the studies are in English. So, and also in the future, it is going to help us in communicating with people from all over the world. And we also have clinical placements, and we go on community visits and study tours, which help us.
Does your college offer hostel facilities?
Yes, they do, and I am very proud to say that college hostel where we are supervised by an ex-army officer who ensures our maximum safety, and we also have a dedicated teacher who makes sure that we don't have any studies pending and we are completing all our studies. And we also have a study room where we can study at our own convenience.
What do you think about the staff, faculty, and administration department? How approachable are they?
They are very approachable and friendly because they've always been there every time we needed any help and guidance. They're making sure that we're getting the proper education that we need.
And do you think the standard of education that this college has to offer is up to the mark based on the current changing trends of the job market?
Yes, I do, because the plans that they have for us and the steps that they're taking for us is going to play a huge impact in our future. The facilities that they are providing us, such as labs of different subjects and multimedia classrooms and language clubs for English and Japanese language. And also we have community visits and clinical placements, which are going to help us in the future in different jobs and communicating with people. For anyone who is willing to study nursing, I would welcome you to our campus. And so you can come and see for yourself that the standard of education and the facilities that we are being provided. Thank you for listening.